So today we're going to be doing the collage activity. So what you would have been given in your pack is one of the boat pictures that we're going to be making. And then also some arts and crafts supplies. But you can also find some stuff around your house. So what I found around the centre is some string, some cotton wool, some flowers, some stickers. You're going to need glue. This would have been given to you in a previous activity, which you'll need to get back out. I found some different colour pens and crayons, some paper and some glitter. Collage is kind of like where you add lots of materials to one piece of paper. So I've got some cotton wool here and I'm gonna stick it down here. You can also rip up paper, you can stick down flowers. So it's all about putting as many different textures and mediums on here and colours, and you can use pencils, pens, whatever you want, and just make it your own. This is what I've made. This is the collage that I did. So just do it however you want. Use as many things as you like. Get creative and make sure to send your photos into Facebook or to your key worker.